Here is what I have after leveling. If you watched my previous video, I leveled all this area, and now it's nice, perfect. Only this side little bit need some ham grinding. You see, I put straight edge right here. So I will grind a little bit here, a little bit there, and then it's flat. So most of problem is right there. Here is a kitchen, should be. And you see, under the, I have gap. So need grind this side a little bit more, remove whole mortar, and then you see all the side is up, so I need spend maybe hour to grind down this side and smoothly grind this side, remove some mortar right there. So if I remove all mortar, I just make, you see, it's pretty good. If I remove right there, it will be nice. Maybe I will do some skim coating, a little bit, slide it down, because you see here is like ball, one side up, another side up. So we will see. I'm using this blade. It's really nice cutting the concrete slab. So usually ground floor is really hard to grind, but you see, I just using it maybe months, not more. Very happy. So I bought on Amazon. So you will see how it's cut the concrete very easy. If you remember in my previous video, I always recommend to make some, when you're doing leveling, overlapping to the high spot. Why? Because you see, this is the gray spot. This is a self-leveling compound. It exactly make a smooth transition from the self-leveling compound to the high spot. And if you're not doing overlapping with self-leveling compound, when self-leveling compound dries, you will have empty spot, need to fill up again. So I grinded whole this floor. Here was hump, so this is level, and now I make it flat with this surface. So cut whole humps. Also I grinding everywhere here, that side, and here also. So now I have some little space, like it needs to be. You see, it's not visible, huh? From this side. Okay, so I'm gonna level it till this area, hold the middle, and smooth it out right here. So just put primer, straight edge already on the place. So all cracks I fill up with silicone, and joints, there is a gap. If it's small, don't believe small gaps, because you can leak one back or more. Sometimes so big empty space under. Okay, so now I want to mix the self-leveling compound and apply with straight edge. So here is some process. What I'm just doing, first of all, I just start from the entrance where it was tiles. So I'm using push-pull tools or it's regular squeezer for tile cleaning, but it's really helpful for me to spread whole self-leveling compound. And now I put back straight edge and add more self-leveling compound and just slide it in. So very important things. So when you're doing leveling with straight edge, uh, need to do level, use straight edge across the main direction of what you want to install floor. Also, you see when I am passing pole, I'm first of all I'm just with keep some angle. I'm going around the pole, and then I'm using straight edge from another side of this pole, just with another angle. It's easy to pass and keep the same level of self-leveling compound. And time to time, I'm just using a spike roller to flatten this surface. It's very important because when using straight edge makes some waves. And if you're not rolling this surface, liquid surface, later you have to use grinder to cut off that waves. So straight edge really important. So if you want to watch this whole process slowly, you can use on video settings, just make it slower. Now I'm just showing it fast because it's take 4 times more this process, and not everybody patient to see how I'm using straight edge. But here is whole techniques how to just using straight edge. I'm just take the white flat trowel, spread the self-leveling compound, and also when I'm come to the end point of leveling, I'm going with straight edge back and repeat few times. Why I doing? Because here is the sloping side and self-leveling compound just slightly leaking down to the lowest side. When you spread to one side to another side, it's more stable and you don't have in some places when self-leveling compound will drive some bigger humps and you need to grind it. Now everything fine, so ready to go. So here it is, just finish leveling, put fence and heater to dry it out. Okay. On Monday I can start floor installation.